Okay, so how to print from Canva to Epson printer. In this video, I'm gonna show you that. Alright, let's dive in. First of all, just open your Canva design. Okay, after opening a design, go on top right corner, click on share, and here click on download. Now click on this drop down arrow and make sure you have selected PDF. Now click on download. Now wait for a few seconds. Okay, now the design is downloaded. Click on it. And if you can't see the option over here, just go on your file manager and open your design from there. Okay, now here, go on top right and click on this print icon right over here. As you can see, click on it and click on this drop down arrow. From here, you will be able to select your Epson printer if you have connected to your computer properly. So make sure you have selected Epson printer. From here, select your settings and after that click on print and your job is done. You are good to go. So that's it for the video. That's how you can print from Canva to Epson printer. Thanks for watching.